morning, students. Hi everyone all. Today we are going to discuss the lecture number 13 from chapter 3, Inheritance and Variation. And today's topic is genetic disorders. So let us discuss genetic disorders. Sometimes question asks for 2 marks, that is, what are genetic disorders? Give examples of Mendelian and chromosomal disorders. So such type of question asked for 2 marks. So genetic disorders are grouped into 2 categories. Number 1, Mendelian disorder. Number 2, chromosomal disorders. Here the genetic disorders group into 2 categories, Mendelian disorder and second is chromosomal disorders. Let us discuss Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders caused due to alternation or mutation in genes. Mendelian disorders occurs due to certain alternations in genes as well as mutation. Mutation means what? Sudden change in character in gene that cause mutation, like gene mutation, as well as chromosomal mutation. But due to the gene mutation, Mendelian disorder occurs. The examples of Mendelian disorders are thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, and phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria, in short, PKU. So these are certain Mendelian disorders. Second, chromosomal disorders. The chromosomal disorders are caused due to deletion or addition of one or more chromosomes in complete set of chromosome. That is called chromosomal disorders. The chromosomal disorders related to the autosomes as well as sex chromosomes. Here the examples, that is Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, as well as Klinefelter syndrome. Among them, Down syndrome is chromosomal disorder, autosomal disorder. Turner and Klinefelter syndrome are the sex chromosomal disorders. So let us discuss first genetic disorder, thalassemia. The thalassemia is an autosomal. It is an autosomal as well as inherited and recessive disorders. It is autosomal disorder because it is related to the autosomes, and are inherited means it inherits from parents to their offspring, and it occurs due to the recessive gene, so called recessive disorders. Here in case of thalassemia, hemoglobin molecules like Hb is made up of 4 polypeptide chains. Hemoglobin molecule made from 4 polypeptide chains. Among them, 2 alpha chains and 2 are beta chains. So in this way it is made from 4 polypeptide chains. The synthesis of alpha chains are controlled by 2 closely linked genes, HBA1 and HBA2. So these closely linked genes HBA1 and HBA2 controlled by alpha chain present on chromosome number 16. whereas synthesis of beta chain is controlled by single gene. Alpha chain controlled by two genes, HBA first and HBA second, whereas beta chain is controlled by single gene like HBB on the chromosome 11. It is present on the chromosome 11. Alpha chain related to the chromosome 16. So, depending upon which chain of hemoglobin is affected, the thalassemia is classified as alpha and beta thalassemia. If the alpha chain is defected or affected, then it is called alpha thalassemia. When the beta chain is affected, it is called as beta thalassemia. It is caused due to deletion or mutation of gene. How it occurs? How the thalassemia occurs? It caused due to deletion or mutation of gene. Means due to the deletion or mutation of gene which code for alpha as well as beta globulin chains that result in abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. Means when the deletion or due to the mutation, the codes for such genes or changes for alpha and beta chain globin chains, it changes that results in abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. The symptoms of thalassemia are like anemia, pale yellow skin, change in size and shape of RBCs, then slow growth and development, and presence of dark urine. These are symptoms of thalassemia. The thalassemia is differ from sickle cell anemia caused by qualitative problems of synthesis of incorrectly functional globin. So, thalassemia and sickle cell anemia both are differ from each other. Sickle cell anemia is caused due to quantitative problems, whereas thalassemia is caused due to qualitative problems of synthesis of functional globin. Here, the additional information for thalassemia. Thalassemia shows deficiency of oxygen. We know that human RBC contain Hb, hemoglobin. Hb stands for hemoglobin. And what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is an respiratory pigment which supply oxygen to the blood, from the blood to the organs. In this case, in case of thalassemia, deficiency of oxygen occurs because RBC count is that means hemoglobin count is low, and with a defective Hb in RBC, it means RBC becomes defective. Hemoglobin becomes defective in RBC. So this one is additional information, inheritance of thalassemia. Father and mother when carrier, then in F1 generation they forms 4 possible types of offspring, in which one child is healthy, other is carrier, whereas other, that means 2 are carrier, one is healthy, and one child suffering from thalassemia. In this way, this thalassemia is inherited. Means their genes transfer from parents to newly produced offspring. Thank you.